This is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals. Have you seen the first pictures that I showed you? We had a lot of stuff inside this house and we moved it all out yesterday. Now this is the second day of work. We're doing the whole house cleaning, getting this house move-in ready. This particular customer is out of town, so we're making sure we get everything taken care of for them. As you can see, we got all the nitty-gritty windows, window seals. We also lift up the window and we clean the base as well. So we have that done here on this room. The other room also got the baseboards really well. There was dust all over the place. So we got all that up. Wipe down the doors here, getting along the handles, it gets really dirty. And you see we're vacuuming, and we're also going to be doing a carpet cleaning. A lot of dust. All these little black speckles here, that's all dust there. Same thing, this room's not going to get carpet cleaning, obviously, but we got some dust picking up to do. There's baseboards over here. Make sure we got all those. Bathroom, you're going to see the pictures on this before and after as well. And this tub came out amazing. Just check that out, it looks almost new. That grating, you see there's some stuff along the edge, that's caulking. We cannot get to that, so we can't remove the caulking. Bouncing back here, got this wonderful kitchen, and the microwave is all cleaned out, looking great. Cabinets, even the handles of the cabinets were cleaned. We're still getting the stove. The stuff is still sitting in the stove. We're waiting for that to work on there. You have the refrigerator, looking great. Everything's all cleaned in here. We have this beautiful freezer, all cleaned out. There was some mold in there. And of course, we have the windows here and the floors. We're saving the floors for last. We're going to start on that. Bouncing down, you can see the trail on the carpet. That's all dust and dirt here. All right, we got this completely emptied out. And we're going to get these carpets nice and clean. There's just so much dust here. Dust built up along here. And this whole room was filled with couch and everything. We got the washroom. Like I said, we still have floors left to do. Everything's all gutted out, cleared out. Looks like we missed something here. So, this bathroom cleared out. It's not cleaned yet. Just to give you an idea what the bathroom floor looked like. You see in the pictures, this is what we're working with. All right, so we're gonna scrub that all up. And then we have to get this garage all scrubbed up. We got it all emptied out, everything off the shelves. All right, stay tuned. Cleaning portion, you see us vacuuming, getting all the dirt up here and dust. Now we're going to put down the solution and get into the fibers of the carpet, laying down the solution here. What this is doing is emulsifying the dirt, turning it into a liquid. Then we're going to go over with the encapsulating pad, and we're going to encapsulate it with the microfiber pad with the scrub strips. Stay tuned. All right, now we're going to absorb it using one hand here, so bear with me. absorbing all the dirt and dander from the carpet up out of into the pad. It's doing a great job. Making this house move-in ready. This is Brandon with Be Clean, and as you can see, we're all finished here. Got the floors swept, mopped. Let's take a look here. See, everything's out. Everything's been cleaned. Top to bottom, refrigerator. Stove. Brand new looking almost stove. Microwave. That stuff stuck on the inside of the microwave, like in the panel. Microwave's cleaned out. We got the cabinets and the handles to the cabinets, windows, window seals, all the appliances, baseboards. A lot of dust in this home. Baseboards. We did the carpet cleaning. Let's check out the bathroom. Phenomenal tub. That crease over there you can see, that's caulking. So that ledge wouldn't come up. Mirror. This room, not fairly much to do, just the baseboards and the window seals. So we got the carpet cleaning done. I'm gonna close the blinds here. I don't want people to know that no one's home. So close all the blinds. If I can get this blind closed. Closing the blinds. Turn off all lights. Carpets came out amazing. All right, stay tuned while I close the bust of blinds. We'll show you the rest of the house. Down to the basement area. Once again, a lot of dusting. Got this over here. We got the chandelier up there. Just a little piece of glove I'm gonna pick up. All right. Totally emptied. Carpets have been cleaned. It is looking good. Move-in ready. Like I said, we got the baseboards here. Same thing, shelving, windows, window seals. All right. Very dusty area behind the television and all. That was real dusty. These shelves. All right, that practically concludes it. Oh, we got one more bathroom. Sorry, I almost forgot. Laundry room. Laundry room. Opened up the dryer and cleaned the seals out. Floor has been swept, wiped and cleaned. Another bathroom. This still needs mop. We're just saving that so we can walk out and lock up. There we go there. And we have the garage. Totally cleared out. All right, stay tuned.